channel is Tay Rosé. In this video, yes, I know you've already seen the thumbnail, you've already seen the title. It is true. I will be doing a 3-in-1. It's been some time since I've done a 3-in-1, okay? Okay. Well, I'm here with it, and this is featuring the Glamlite times Barbie. This is the Dream Summer palette, which is perfect because it is summertime, 1. And 2, the Barbie movie is coming out. 3, I also bought some clothes from the Forever 21 collection. So if you want to see that, do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see what I could cook up. Alright, but before I get started with the video, are you ready for the reveal? Alright, let's go. Like, look at these shades. Oh my goodness. When I saw this in Marshall's, I could not turn this down. And I do have something similar to this, but it's not like this, if you know what I mean. This is on the Glamlite website right now because I just checked not so long ago for $40. And I got this at Marshall's for way less than $40. I honestly forgot the price because it's been a few months since I've done it. And then plus 2, I remember I did post this palette exact on my YouTube post. I'm gonna put somewhere here. And then a lot of you requested a few makeup looks from a few of the color families, which is what I'm going to do. So the 3 looks is based on the request that I received. If you want to see the 3 makeup looks that I do using this palette, then please be sure to keep watching. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on the Glamlite Barbie palette. This is the Dream Summer palette. It is on Glamlite's website now for $40. I can say that I truly love the mattes. Like, they're very pigmented. The blendability is amazing. Like, I was surprised when I did my transition shade, which I use the same transition shade all around because it just does well for my skin complexion. I was surprised that when I morphed in my transition shade with all the other crease shades, that they would blend in. I was worried that it was gonna look nasty, and even with this one I was kind of surprised with it, but I do love it, and I'm so happy with the blendability and the pigmentation of it all. I can say though that this is my first time buying anything by this brand, Glamlite, and Glamlite, there wasn't much kickback with the matte or the shimmers, which is what I'm going to delve into right now. The shimmers, like, you see my eye right now, and you see my eye looks and the previous looks that I've done. Amazing. It has the same texture as any other makeup palette, where it's that creamy, it's like a creamy texture, but it glides on beautifully. Same thing, there was no kickback. There was barely any kickback, honestly, with the shimmer shades. I, again, love this palette. So I say, if you haven't already, purchase this on a Glamlite's website. If you see that at Marshall's, you need to snag this up because this is a palette worth buying. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, comment below any more makeup looks that you'd like to see from this palette. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. Make sure to check out the previous video in the section that's coming up next. I will see you there. Bye.